Good afternoon. My name is Shania Johnson. Today I will be presenting my wellness vision board. My first SMART goal is to be physically active for at least 30 minutes a day for 3 days a week. This goal is specific because I'll be exercising for at least 30 minutes for 3 days within my week. This goal is measurable because I will use my Apple Watch and my phone to track the amount of physical activity I do for each of those 3 days. This is an attainable goal for me because right now I don't dedicate much time at all to working out. With my schedule, I work 12-hour shifts, so I work 3 days and then I'm off for 4 days. I could wake up early and then work out on my days off. This goal is realistic because it's something I can achieve if I actively take the time to do it. This goal is also time bound because with this goal, I would like to start on May 1st and then try to keep it going and increase the time that I dedicate to it. Personal comments. I have been trying to make an effort to work out for a while now, but I haven't had the motivation to actually put it into action. Now that I have a plan, I feel ready to accomplish my goal. I've learned a lot about the benefits of just exercising for 30 minutes a day and what it can bring for my health, and it has encouraged me to stop making excuses, get up, and make it happen. The first pic represents my home gym where I have a membership to work out. It's called EOS Fitness. The pic of the Apple Watch is how I will track my progress, and then the other pics are just visuals of my workout goals. My second SMART goal is to eliminate soda and drink at least 2 full bottles of water a day. This goal is specific because the fact that I'm going to stop drinking soda altogether and commit to drinking at least 2 full bottles of water each day. This goal is measurable because I can measure the amount of water I drink by logging it into my phone. I'm going to break the soda habit for good by finding a healthier replacement and not buying or ordering it with meals. I can track my food and intake in an app called MyFitnessPal that we learned about in class. This goal is attainable for me because I usually can barely drink 1 full bottle of water a day. I find myself taking small sips usually. Also, there's many other options for me to drink besides soda. I just have to find them and try it. This goal is realistic because I can complete my goal if I put my mind to it. I can start by drinking 1 bottle in the morning and finish another throughout the day. With soda, if being healthy is my goal, I shouldn't be buying it at all. So if I focus on it, I can truly live without it. Time bound, I'm going to try to do it every day for 2 weeks, and then I'm going to challenge myself to make a habit of drinking 2 full bottles of water every day. With the soda, I'm going to start on May 1st, do it for 30 days, and then challenge myself to leave it alone for good. My personal comments for these is the MyFitnessPal logo represents how I plan to track my water and soda intake, which is with that app. The other photo gives benefits of quitting soda, and that's why I plan to eliminate it from my diet. The others are just fun pics. Also, Fiji is one of my favorite types of water, so that's why I included a pic of it, because its taste usually motivates me to drink more water. My third SMART goal is to reduce stress in my life and grow my relationship with God by journaling. This goal is specific because I plan to journal in my prayer journal every day in the afternoon about my thoughts. The goal is to reduce stress, and the purpose is to grow my relationship with God and foster my mental health. This goal is measurable because I will monitor and keep track of my stress levels by utilizing an app on my Apple Watch that analyzes your heart activity, sleep, and health, and it shows you your current stress level. I will also monitor my blood pressure and my heart rate by paying close attention to them and measuring these two things with my at-home machine. This goal is attainable for me because I usually have a lot of time in the afternoon, and I can use it to journal my feelings instead of allowing myself to get overwhelmed with the things that I have to get done. This goal is realistic because oftentimes I stress about things that I have to do for school, work, and in my future, and I don't dedicate enough time to spending it with God. So I feel that journaling every day will give me the opportunity to open up, share my prayers, and also manage my emotions that oftentimes lead to stress. My goal is to start April 28th when I'm completely done with this semester, and I'm going to dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes of every afternoon to reading my devotional and journaling out my thoughts for each day. Personal comments. The picture with the sticky notes at the bottom represents the things I plan to do in general to reduce my overall stress. The other picture up top with the lady that looks overwhelmed is a visual of what stress usually feels like to me. The picture beneath it with the rocks demonstrates the healthy balance I would like to create in my life. Lastly, the 4 books at the bottom are my personal Bible with a cross on it. On the left are my 2 prayer journals, and lastly is my daily devotional that's in the top right corner. And that's the end. Thank you.